Introducing Synaptic's Interview Assistant Agent for Healthcare. Healthcare organizations face challenges in their interview processes that directly impact hiring quality. Interview questions tend to differ significantly from interviewer to interviewer, yielding inconsistent results when evaluating candidates for the same position. Attempts at standardization require extensive training, continuous monitoring, and regular review from resources that are already stretched thin. What interviewers consistently express is the need for practical guidance when it comes to asking the most relevant questions for specific healthcare roles and clear guidelines for providing structured feedback that can be meaningfully compared across candidates. Without a systematic approach, healthcare organizations risk making hiring decisions based on inconsistent criteria, potentially missing ideal candidates or advancing those who aren't the best fit for their specialized clinical environments. Synaptic's Interview Assistant Agent transforms the provider interview process with a practical approach. The solution delivers a concise conversational experience that makes interview preparation intuitive for even the busiest clinicians and managers. The agent intelligently pulls from both job position requirements and corporate standards and exclusions, ensuring every interview aligns with organizational priorities while remaining role-specific. The agent adds recommended questions directly to each candidate's application file, accommodating multi-position interviews. And it tailors candidate-specific questions based on their unique background, experience, and qualifications, allowing interviewers to explore strengths and potential concerns with precision. This combination of standardization and personalization delivers more meaningful interviews and ultimately better hiring decisions. Let's see Synaptic's solution in action with a practical scenario. A neurological surgeon applicant has just been approved as a candidate and promoted into the interview stream, an exciting development for a hospital seeking this highly specialized talent. The hiring manager now needs comprehensive interview questions prepared for the interview team, ensuring consistency while addressing this specific candidate's background. Additionally, the interview team wants a structured way to capture feedback directly against each question, creating a framework for objective comparison with other candidates. This is where the Interview Assistant Agent can really help. Here's a clip of Dwayne Nelson, Synaptic's HLS product lead, demonstrating it for this specific use case.
The interview assistant generates a series of questions that are relevant to the position and the candidate. It asks if you want to save these questions with the candidate. In this case, I do. The interview questions are saved to both the case and the contact so that as the interviewer engages with the candidate, they have some starting points. Now let's switch views to see what the HR manager or person scheduling the interviews would see. Here they can see the case along with the newly created candidate from the applicant. They can drill in and see the same things the previous user saw, including the attachment, the descriptions, but also interview questions.
Thanks, Dwayne. Okay, so to recap, the key advantages of Synaptic's Interview Assistant Agent throughout the hiring process include: the conversational experience makes it accessible to all team members involved in interviewing, regardless of their technical comfort level. The solution provides contextually relevant interview questions specifically tailored for each position and candidate, balancing standardization with personalization in a way that traditional methods simply cannot achieve. Perhaps most valuable is the integrated forum for direct feedback, allowing interviewers to document their observations consistently and objectively. By implementing Synaptic's solution, healthcare organizations can significantly improve interview quality, reduce hiring manager workload, and make more informed decisions when selecting the clinical talent that directly impacts patient care outcomes. Thank you for listening. If you are interested in Synaptic's Interview Assistant, want to explore the other agents in our catalog, or learn about our Agent on Demand offering, come check us out at synaptic.build/agents.